Okay, come to find out, it wasn't a mating flight at all. It was a swarm. I got my suit on now, as you see. I don't know. They just didn't take to the box, and they swarmed on me. I knocked them out of that tree up there. You can see the stick hanging. I dropped them to the ground. I couldn't find the queen. I just dumped everything, all the bees that I could find in these buckets. I just dumped them all back into the hive, and we're gonna see what happens from there, but I don't know. But now I'm like super close. All I want now is the queen to be okay and everybody to go right back home. I got all excited earlier. I thought it was the mating flight, but the queen took off on us. Let's see if this ain't her. We got a big old drone. That's a big drone. Right now, they still flying around like the queen is not around. I might lose this colony because I don't know if the queen is alive or not. I did find out inside that they didn't start making comb at all. They've been in here since April 19th. Today is the 23rd of April. So that's not a good sign at all. Not a good sign at all. Let's see if we can open it up just to get a peekaboo see. Yeah, got a lot of people in there. It ain't looking good. It's not looking good at all. A lot of people under the hive. I'm hoping the queen is inside. I'm hoping she's inside and they just working their way back. I know I lost a lot of bees because I did spray them with water. That is not okay. I panicked. I got a lot of bees here drying themselves off. If it was the queen, they would, even if she was dead, they would be wrapped around her. So I'm thinking she is not in here anywhere. These clusters always get me thinking that she may be in here, but no. I think these pine cones are just something that can help them escape that water. Boy, that was stupid. That was stupid.